When we wake,
we're gonna cover these holes.
hear the birds and see the sun.
Now this one is a lot bigger than this hole. So what you gotta do is when you start it, you start on one side, right? Then you go to the other side. It looks like there's a little hole in it, but it's not.
He already did all of these. Hold on one second. You said that you was gonna hit that one again in the front. How hard?
I can't stand it.
The stick is right there.
Spark.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
You like doing this, Baba? Yeah? You do?
Yeah.
How's the mask? Is it better? The shield, I mean?
It's hard as hell to see out of.
You can't see anything?
I can barely see crap. If you're standing right there, I can probably barely see you.
See if you put it on how I look.
You just look like a shadow.
Really?
Yeah.
But then when that goes on, then you
When
can
it
see
goes
the
on, I can see a lot
okay.
better.
Yeah. Flex paste.
Yep, got sick of covering, welding holes and finding more holes, and so I decided to use this instead.
Well, you didn't show the hole was there, but okay.
Oh, my fault. It was under there, I promise. Promise there's a hole under there. I'm not trying to get all fancy with it and make it smooth as possible. Like I said, we're gonna have insulation, paint, all types of good stuff on it. Here goes another hole right here.
Okay. Probably was you.
Yeah, most likely. But
Our youngest son was doing good doing the welding though.
yeah, he's a lot better than me.
and he done, that was his first time doing it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so all those black marks are all the holes that he covered, and it's called what? Yeah, but it's a rubber, so it dries.
It's a rubber sealant.
Yeah, it's a rubber sealant.
Super thick rubber paste.
Yeah. And so he originally got it to cover the holes on the wheel well.
Yeah.
And then it worked on the wheel well, so he decided to try it on the floor, and it works on the floor as well. So if we would have known this long time ago,
I would have welded another.
we wouldn't have to weld anything. Exactly.
With the combination, I think we'll be just fine. It's not done like half-assed or anything like that. Like I said, I'm taking precautions for the rest of the bottom and stuff like that. I'm just not going to waste too much time welding every single hole I find on this bus, because the more you look, the more holes you find.
There's a lot of holes in here.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of black spots all over the floor, as you can see, but there's a lot that was welded.
All right, now after this, we're going to be painting it, right?
You're going to be painting it?
You're going to be painting it because I want to paint it, but I don't deal with oil-based paint.
Yeah.
So, I'll be doing something else. Those are the only two holes?
Yeah, those are the only bad holes that we have.
Sheesh. So that, what are you going to put on it now? A metal
I'm going to
plate?
put a metal plate, weld it on, grind it down a little, try to make it as smooth as possible.
Alright.